So what's the UK abrochi memuha? Na when your car akwenshie bi enyo fo. Ana se adokita fo ahwe wa wan hwe Right claim betumi aboa wa ma wagisi kan pimpin bebre. Ya wo UK a lawyer fo etitru ana se ekuku damfo a betumi aboa wo afonko ama. Kosi se we sika no beba. Eno ani se wo be ko www.rightclaims.co.uk. Na wa fill wo form. Wo betumi afre yen wo number ya ewu figure ase. Say a cancel of flight. And say when your flight delay for over don shremiensa. May trek 3 hours. Enko bebia. Right claims betumi aboa ma ahanso wagisika. Right claims. It's as simple as that.
Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitwaya etimimpo esho botomi ebwa mahunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayaria hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi ebe po nkaye baby bia wo bia no wada won so akohu doctor ntem. Na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boso de at the form of Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Still on the Grammys. Shatawale aye live video be at to punches bebre punches be there. What to be? Some of the points are already here. I think my people also have some of the points already, and meet me at Bob Bobiso, and they will also be doing the same thing. Not yet. Timia herself points are Shatawale Erezi or Nerant during his live video. No, were all of them genuine or were all of them factual? These are the things I want us to look today, because after the Grammys, Bruhaha, no big artist has actually said something. So I what me congratulate Nigeria Bernard Boy Munasifo. Why the only person who has spoken openly about it is Shatawale, and that was not all. I heard say Sister Ifia has also said something, which we will also be looking at that as part of our discussion. And again, record label boss, Create Music, Stephen Forson, he has also said something worth considering. Okay, so many talking points from Shatawale's live video, aka Shatawale's Grammys rant. Now, my panel members here have studied everything he said. They have written down their notes. I'm going to be breaking it down one after the other. The good thing is, so as they break it down, you also bring your opinion. Share your thoughts. I'll be reading them one comment after another. Let's do Showbiz Daily. Share the link with your people. For SM4 say hi to Charles Niyama Mensa mini papa no. But still and 70 days send you no apeno. Ya be kan sama industry aye. Chemo, our point number 1. Start here. Among Shatta Nema no can I find our person or can't be found?
Yeah, generally the Shatta kind or the never be fra, but not a Grammy awards yana kofa win na buy. Into no my first point in say or DVT senka exams and go be 0. Because and some now
oh the mama mic ni say mo let me come here
yeah some Shatta kind ebi no kre and I say ebi o kan ya relevant ese nkofo bi address but time all canon it say the osi canon exams and go be 0 e ko obetru bebre age extra paper but Emrani atro 0 kakaka on the paper so
sankophobia
because it's a opese o call Grammy and other opese ye nominate or Grammy on say Grammy ye nominate kra na omo ma obibi o yeah say unya nomination kra na ma certificate enu na enkofo bitimi ka say Grammy nominee no like obodin na the Grammy nominee na so
I think say recognition kra
yeah and you be more certificate I recognize you say Oma nominated because and you say oh yes submission now na wa be part of it no after submission no omo year first voting for entry. And the way I am voting a man no crown unya entry like unya entrance na ya ba for Grammy nominee. So you are rejected from the entry stage now. Okay. And just to get nomination crown is an achievement. And it is a and na shut a person or address na the define the fan. Say Ghana industry no and celebrity heroes no. And give Grammy nomination. Say we be celebrity hero, say we celebrity or and me mount nomination. And it is not a person or address Grammy no asem na ekoso dia. Enye no kan. By ensem no kan dey bi wo industry no ma. This will be can. And no kan tin yeah. I will agree with him say e bi wo ho beka. Just e bi won so or ma misinformation bi. And no dey ebem no dey kan asem no. Say obubodin say Ghana and celebrity heroes he say. Konimo for instance, apart from say oye good musician na nyina more about guitar and that. Or sounds a scientist. And on your scientist be a proper one at that. Or head of department or chemistry department or KNU UST. Okay. University of Science and Technology chemistry department. Konimo at one point was the head of laboratory and KNU UST. Into a proper scientist pioneer and changing the Nibia. And the Konimo music I'm not jidin but over in scientific world and other academia so or not to say recognizing also and you know nanka only su or my ebia or my area musicians now or my area near best races come on ni bi ni wan and god o be example and I think say a man for be follow and say or the Konimo because a man for the other side of Konimo about counter the whole can and you should but I'm not sure he's in need like that or he's not in need Konimo and or no be here will be a sick why was I crack or child there were butchery for some time university butchery or how music near that okay Konimo hon children is as ordinary example. Okay. Indeed, young fire non tonche. You know, Grammys na person address na odi amount for them near that. And only sano. And my only person enka ye discuss a young fast solution. But baby, I want to akono. In fact, or no cry na air train free solution. And the mere advice shatter say Obeba can't be busy on cannot drink to say they be our can. But I drew baby on tea advice, on pair advice be answer of the casa. Me wo artist bi wo ha na say o be kan say one frame into a bash ni pa me money din wo ha there but say issue bi ba na in general na say o pese o kan bia obi otimi frame na me kra me ni ye debate e wo fon so on his point no okay and sana wa ba out abeka de obeka ebi o me ni timi ka change o de o pese o kan no kan. But this is the other side of it. In this over doing once and waka with the doing once and waka. In the shatter or the person on can buy Miss Reno on Peobi. As or person of a cancer ma on any pan in debate. Ma on can't any pan say Chremedia Minka. But can't the opposite can any pan and challenge you. Nafa build your point. Say after that, and say, oh, but public about a can. Ube who the other can because who named there. Obi a osho ana obi o teaching so be kanti say na obeka o de and say na obeka or no at this point you know, he needs somebody like that he needs to baba be kasa to say the okan the for now no me the busy I have to be diplomatic and yes sir for now. So varied opinions and this is what we call democracy. Obia and Chena Jane, let's talk about it together. Let's share our thoughts, opinions. But like I said, if you've not shared the link, share with your friends. Let's talk about Ghana music. Let's talk about our entertainment industry here in Ghana. Okay, so let me move on to Yaola PG. Let me listen to what Yaola PG's contribution will be on Shatter's rants, and also points Ben and Obefa, talking points Ben Obefa. Now Bobo Susan Lapi. Boss. And we point in the okay, Bobo Suyanko. And then one year can Mr. TFE baby I say Jay-Z
or be starting a Jay-Z type of music, and they was starting put it.
Okay.
You see, me or can't I pen and make research here and music. Jay-Z in the last album released in 2018.
Okay.
Since then, me say Jay-Z releases single track and put it.
Just so no executive.
Was it 1 year executive?
Jay-Z.
Me that's it. But say Shatta Kasano. Say Shatta executive and pan say oh yeah. Or follow Jay-Z trainer. Because the last time I a story before and also say Jay-Z and the role model. It's Jay-Z and the role model la. Jay-Z AM Babon team. Me sure and then OT radio so now okay say outside so they went to choir into what is going on there. Say their media also like make mockery of them sometimes.
Oh yeah. Papa.
Yes. So how many times have you even seen Jay-Z on live live video? Say be our papa. Now we didn't media na tell say obi oyo role model say brasa me uti say they are like yen na show. How when was the last time I hear video we say omo mu didi watem o post as in audio? You don't do that. So mean so no me head say they are uti me know that has it. So I'm learning from you. It means so me sure say they are we page am do no. They are watching me no like me go wayward. So what I say because we are role model like we are role model to me. It me sure I mean yet contrary to what
you are doing.
Yes. Yen friend to chain. Okay say yembu like artist no. Omo artist no mo Ghana media ni bu na Kojo Sheldon yawa of the day any other day. Content ebe nyina no yemu artist no na mo de maye. Because you see what you feed the people no. And no so na yen so yebe sunya.
Yeah.
So owo akola na say one money sugar from Nicola Bremno 15 years e be din say obesunya sugar di enti dia o de be maye no eno anye so ye de be ba dia o be ye live video be ye no ye discussing enti wa ye nyum na say wakoye mi ame dokno mi ame hu no o ma ame twe and that is what the guy also does for a living or see so mi video the first video and radio no ye no or see say ujimia say also your artist na say osu be din kwasase ma yes you be use kwasase no e dey niska
condition.
Yeah, that is what he said.
I don't know the hour of the day na Shatta and engine one.
No. Hour of the day when say you no cry almost shut that the man say on yex breakdown.
No, but there is a difference between the hour of the day and the breakdown.
And the breakdowns. It is say why hour of the day no. Hour of the day no. One so say one so better na say you now here no so better na say say no akwa we o deceive you. Utimi here line be pie mi am doc no mi am hu no. Like then
now we doc no wa hu no.
Matias but o kan dey say me ko see say.
Me am no no.
No who hear this so.
That's why they want to me mo na.
It be o na ntimi mo no. O be dey akase mi am ebo no. Ntimi obi o ntimi bo no. Yen fa say me ni Reagan e wa hai. Mintimi Reagan. Mintimi engineer Reagan ni say me bo no like how? Mintimi engineer ni nga. Into ka say me am ebo na. Obebu we ba obedu obi eni ntimi mu no edi line ni de omo ya no ma ye di ye iti no content no mo na mo de ma ye e na ye nso ye di ye ejuma no so what you bring is what we also we put it out.
Okay,
so iti no say o ba na so obe ye bloggers obe ye media personalities o e na omo ana obubu omudi ni nyina no ka ho bi.
Oh yeah, me aware
o ka ho bi and no say problems mo sorry if you problem no one say aba no more be can problems no more problems e bia no say o ti wa o ka say ko ni mo ni ade say a problem is a problem to you it na no one you be discuss say a problem into solution anything what I say who Shatta Reggie Rockstone and the rap e ba Ghana ye nyina ye ni but you who disrespecting like who can was asem chere no so no come di no ni papa fie no te oton wa che ni ade and who say we aduane ton skani yeni rasta man bia enton dok no we ni me ya unim score
6
what I say
after Dr. Tom
say we be say mama
and I Shatta wa hin 5 location
no
obi wo pia wa isle go na we
okay bi no ko kan say over 5 houses no member ho no na 5 houses na any Grammy na den me nye sure so wo dan echen Beyonce no feature no oni dan eniska enchen Grammy award winners ni na Drake mo even Wizkid Burna Boy me nye sure say our mansions echen mu nyina o dey fan say Burna Boy dey say no training no into dey fan Burna Boy into check Wizkid Miska and Wizkid me nye sure say our mansion check Wizkid but mo push akwa ko do hon ade wey push me who say na obi posti wo Facebook say gatekeepers omo nko nominate artist e Ghana ha say enyo omo no be nominate who artist no who na be push what I say oye Ojugu Burna Boy the first album and no okoye no amfa eno hu nyansa say no let me connect with some people la omo wo that level la omo tini winning Grammys and no promising him say the next year no be winning which was just last year and na nipa wa work one thing say wa ko ye adwuma no na wa ba in we winning ade no do the same who scan no usi who scan dey bia 5 mansions me estate then push scan estate no the rent ya obenyi scan face scan even one building crown oton a ebetimi atwa correct video ebetimi aye nyama bebre amount so why don't you use even one mansion ba ku say esika en fan kwa invest wo music nim en kwa ji the Grammy beat crown ko ya me kan say good Grammy ni ma say beat ni crown nji yo en na good Grammy ni ma say sa ko dia ye din obi de no asem aba bonti obi kan hwe fa sa ko dia because why ye din no wate so I say asema ye ko be nyina ye kan wasem nyina ye Stone Boy Samini na Shatawale because omo na sisi omo abekasa sa ko de nkasa ye why ye din no te ho you see it is offense no we say trolling no start by na ma Shatawale abekasa no because we say omo feature no we no Lion King no Wizkid dey na win ye no was also on the Lion King
exactly
so we say trolling ni by such a way say okay say ye no your feature as Beyonce feature ye it will feature definitely your chances say Grammy when they ready you be do so is it like only the TZ Sako dey Stone Boy say oh yeah there like likely say be do ye share next year e be ko ni ade it ni nyina uza amba no enu ani ade am for the trolling enu e ho na because only Wizkid na eko ni nyina mu onyo ba album ba ko so and obi dey win na dey na odi win because anyum na enye we dia Wizkid dia ni nyina ye Beyonce dia but we say aso the way we no Wizkid so position ne ho any the way ono so odi ne ho akobom shatter wuti wo like akwantu we na ntimi ntu flight be na ntimi nfa 5 mansions who ska and ni nyina nya aboba ne wo ni nyina wo trasa go wo 3 wo trasa go wo 2 you see so you get money it's a akwantu be na ntimi you get money flight be na ntimi nfa you see in terms shatter no sembebre no okan but media mabobo so no any dia me che say enkoye mame osan ka bi say member ha say bad influence asem no oka say Grammy ne mansion say the Grammy ni adade no amafo supporting no which is the fans bebre na music o decide we show mu 3 man you are not encouraging them to fight forward to fight harder to to work more so they will also fight to get there because na say me role model American cry Shatawale it is almost say Grammy ni cry on corner dan we see any Grammys and now they say obi no other bonting what I say obi no other bonting inti na me bi kan say uni we mansions chain Beyonce ono ye so no o wa sorry dan man for so no sorry dan na ono na sorry dan we see grab conquer 5 mansions no but ono cry ono no ye the highest female Grammy award winner ono kasi wo gusoje ujina wo say 5 mansions no Ghana dey wo bia undu ho ye ba bomodin say obedu ba odi beto say o dey like Grammy ni den ye yawo of the day no no ye ma ni hu onye ma o na content a o dey ba no eno utimi ye wo yonko artist say comedy no ni ada enye no ye be tro dey ato internet it is a Grammy for no be hwe no be say o Shatawale say ni crop for no comedy o the microphone no me
stand for kanya number hwehwe
me na make say mpo
omo ko tie onyuma ake
me na make say mpo omo say omo ye research e beba nyina onyum mpo odi kan
okay
insult ne nko a omo ye research omo ko google insult nko na bi kan aba ansa na onyum beba.
Okay, Emmanuel Lapiji, honorary producer and writer here at Samiflex TV. Chamo na before me banana Reagan or na Obahima na question besides me say how much does the Grammy give to each winners and also Obe answer.
And give direct money to the winners, but what they get from getting that award now is more than the money can buy, like if I should put it that way. Oye Grammy award winner, even omo be dealing with you as in organizers be show no more frewa because oye Grammy award winner no crano. There's a basic money bia omo be say they can't go beyond omo timi go to less than that money, knowing the kind of value that you come with. And you know on fan is I say value na de be brew no eno titi na manfo ani abere pe award no na nyesa award no e sika
direct money be brew.
Yeah.
Okay. Now also talking points abe picky there from Shatters Rants.
First of all, me person like I say Shatawale me video now here na or display the same problems now or kikemwe which is very, very wrong. Or say, oh, Babe, say, Grammys are seminar. And our Babe can be as an experienced artist like Shatawale. I was expecting, say, Anka Unim, what takes artists
to the Grammys.
And now, old bang, what Babe live video, no, what listing of points D. I just a Ghana media now, person who blame me on Momo artists no mo ye ABCD to get to the Grammys and the media no EFGH to pull you people down and then we will we discuss the two allegations. You understand? The one man may be the answer. Points are now already point one be what or can be about a celebration of heroes and for Grammys more share.
Okay.
Or they can go about Ghanaian TV and radio presenter like to bash artists. And no and yashi Grammy for omo meshe say wana na eba show wana na do atem wana na say onyum ye den wana na say wakobo putu ni wana and camp she the point for he is rich and people say I can kill him. Almost all the shows on YouTube criticize the artists. Yeah, brother, I mean, I am meeting some for Ghana for criticize media no bash it. Hey, I said people don't read you. Ghana ha ye criticize cra.
Yeah.
Other countries be almost criticize to the extent that they have awards for critics.
Yeah. So Hakrama for Star TV but eba anako. I think say this TV Viasat 1 at the point they also started an award they call Jigwe Awards. Jigwe Awards was also to like Yawa Awards of a sort. And and say na hate for na started you say no. For example, oh, Mr. Refi
Omoma underground.
And advance yes, and our comedians let's go at WMT awards no. Yeah, so
criticize it. And I am okay say na Nigeria dey. I am am say Nigeria. O just sorry am pa. Na o dey even and they are ka Grammy asemi. Just change o Twitter we need to trends in Nigeria and then read tweets from ordinary citizens of Nigeria. The way they talk about Whiskey, the way they talk about Burna Boy, and then someone muka tama this feature by Shatawale by you na e better na platform so be born about so bloggers on bet chro and you see, yes, people should be able to differentiate between social media commentaries and what the media is projecting. They are not the same. Yeah, but now they cast say Shatawale timi raise bar no when you feature or Beyonce way so say yeah bo abaso. Yeah, can be a blogger be chura and I say yeah you need a sakwa chura or chine bi no say Beyonce and baby my Jay-Z beba.
Yeah.
But go to Nigeria. Time and me na question na me man say Ghana trends the meaningful. I was following the Nigerian trend. They said they na yeah discussing crime can show you. Almost switching the whole argument from why I just say Beyonce feature on the album so to like trying to belittle Beyonce as against their artists.
Yeah.
Like and look what I say, Risky Mama Beyonce feeling big. I say Wababe your mo.
Yeah.
That's Wababe mo adoye. Wababe someone say like Beyonce is nobody. That is the conversation Nigerians will also have. Because they see themselves as almost big, almost big. Into my man to say also change into Wababe feature. Just say oh, yeah, sorry, na emeto ni mo. That that's the same conversation. They will say, "Oh, Ghana for there. Oh, they are pulling people down. Oh, they like this thing. They like what." Say, "Oh, tonight Ghana, na se media na account one sim bia." Yeah, first question I also want to say, "Asem no more can e ye no correct?"
No correct.
That is the first question you should ask yourself. And I the more can e free him. Why they go can they buy? Yeah. Why they buy? Say you want now they buy, I didn't now they buy. Chatawale video e bi na ye kan yo. Anka buy na ko ba be ka say Grammys no also obi nko record label so me pona minim say or the ba be fa na mo record label
ko be bo honey more
politicians are real mo
yeah
yentimi an so mama na
yes
dream no and say nyama anka the fa up anka you will make a lot of sense. Because Grammy you say basic anya share crap you need to be on the yes a recognized record label.
A big label.
Richie, me send you be about batch of fatu win so anya voting code no. Be about media, the media's how the media can hear or more about Grammys no. Yes, the person that because when people mention media na conceptually does.
Okay, so I'll say how do media companies submit products for Grammy consideration? And also record labels, distribution companies and management firms qualify as media companies. Media companies must register with the Recording Academy every year to submit or enter their recordings. Once your media company registration has been confirmed, the awards department will send the media company's designated administrator detailed submissions instructions. For the 63rd award season, media companies must register between July 1st to July 24th, 2020 in order to submit recordings. Recordings for Grammy consideration can be submitted through online entry process, that is OEP. And as if you are having trouble with your submission, you can contact the awards department. They are here to help you.
They are here to help. That's good. First line now, record labels, distribution companies, and management firms qualify as media companies. Conversation in here.
Record labels, distribution companies, and media management firms.
Yes. So how does Adom FM say oh what about Hajia Bintu? How does it affect your going to Grammys? This is clear. The artist should sit down and evaluate. No more interest, no more say no. I didn't say no. I have pathway no see in fact. And they should stop blaming people. Everything they want to achieve, structures, then and I went just and starting fee baby, starting fee on more they be asking me can I me yabrasa me. Yet see it's not more than I'm fine. The same SM fans were on Twitter, on Facebook, trolling him say or begging or quack patch out no way na feature or quack patch out. Even our understanding on Sanya and the crap is very, very low. These are some of the things we need to, as Ghanaians. Momo ba no ma church show na say na more comment na we hate on this, we hate on that. But you are the same people. And on beko ka say and wako patch on it, Jamaica wako feature or Jamaica. And then but these are some of the actions or working attitude that was here encouraging my artists no money. I was saying go be too quiet, no go feature people because say your boy and some man based on ejuma wako ye ediaba. Because these are some of the talks that you are now also because you are an SM fan. And also because also who will be. We also because our success music. We also because we also a high grade fan. So at the end of the day, why do you jump and come and blame the media? the despite media, the multimedia, the bloggers who are just writing every day. They are more yen mujumadi na mudi de biya and one more church home them. So if you stop and you switch, say okay, say I want to get to the Grammys, and then they be a me standard. I'm a person me achieve. If you want to get the what do I do? Then I was saying then you put the things down. No, but one kasa brasa me tell me feel flex. I think says our contracts no crap one our witness na Ricky Davis my contract.
Yeah.
Okay? This were artists are not many Ghana for artists. Nigerians count Kenya for Victoria Kimani and I may catch you say girl when the first time I was buy plugins for Ghana and you. This is not the first. As far back as 2012, 2013, I was working for Victoria Kimani. Now me meeting that me no baby. We were writing press releases upon press awards teams here now online. Me a yes submission. Emmanuel. No, Tiaeka on Ghana. That's after no Chocolate City Records. No UK. Busumi Bia no ascended Aketiaba. Busumi Bia no ascended. I'm a PR agency. No, you need a management firm. You are not even looking at team now. Road manager, business manager, then their manager. What are their tasks? Role is saying
competencies.
Yes, then no yet. Is it about just sitting down? Now, call social media now, and I say, I'm for phone, I'm charging per 10,000, 20,000. Now, is that what we want? But these are some of the things that all management team should start this work. And to say, "Go here, maybe I want to be clear." Ransom and Nachamoka first entry Nimupo. That's why a press release. Oh, Shatawale have been able to qualify for the first entry. That's a media and discuss it. That's a man show and a man reporter. Then you have a case. Says, "Oh, yeah, first year pushing crap mom why?" But you are not doing anything. Do you expect journalists from GBC and I said City News? No, I'm sorry, I did say, oh, Peshatawale so Ghana ninti, the name called Grammys. Like how? How? The work has to start from your own camp.
You have to do the work.
You have to do the work. Yeah. Your records, your interview, Rocky Dawuni Indra, our joy. Or see, and the whole thing boils down to writing. Some, if you really want to get to Grammys,
write well.
Stay true and authentic and write well. Because I know, I say I never consider on the album, no, the uniqueness. He was authentic. The album was very authentic. I see, album a buy and then they competing in. That was the only reason why you're choosing the Nija or Momaka. So these are some of the things the artists need to sit down and then ask themselves questions. Question on one management team to challenge them by now. I expect Shatawale Stonebwoy and this accordion one. Leave the same industry now more complaining now. Start testing and no one will do baby will see 5 bedroom or East Legon. And no Sikanamudi. The same fast no ministry, Amonica Preno, on one and almost 30 tickets version Mushoma Muneska. On one almost streaming monum. So by now, limit your industry name yet. And I will say, and I start. It is true. But sit down and do the work. Nigeria for me say on industry, and 100% too. And that is why Wizkid and all those Burna Boys, they will come and pass here. And it's not the fast, and so but they have ignored the poor structures, whatever discussions as artists. Industry players we need to handle. No push it to get the plots they want. What's the one for America? And we say okay, the name they be now. It is me person me call her ma. I was saying me yes say. Bianca Beyonce had submitted already. And I can be a nominated. But one submitted. Say
Beyonce who say a brown skin girl mode to change already. Which is obvious. Oh, share videos ni me no. Brown skin girl video no Charlie and them are cool. Yes, why don't share video? Just go watch it.
Exactly. So, brothers, these are some of the things we need to sit down and discuss. And yeah, and I'm a dying, and I'm a say, and the Ghana structures no be and say the media is not 100% perfect. Of course. You, the artists, are not 100% perfect. But at the end of the day, stay in your studios or at your office and work. So who targeting Grammys are? You know how our Grammys, any Grammys, and then work towards that lane.
Okay.
And train so you the artist, you're like an artist or painting. Don't give your brush to a journalist or a blogger to paint for you. Paint yourself. Who painted you will come and praise you. We need to celebrate you. That's all we can do.
Nana Reagan is his name, Beef Nation President, his AKA.